Hi! Welcome back to Jacinto Academy. Want to know how to operate with Jacinto Pump? Let me show you.
At first, you need to get in the cockpit, turn on the vehicle and turn on the pit view. Then, at the back of the truck, turn on the panel and check the tachometer, temperature and the water levels. Open the main valve of the pump tank and accelerate until you get the desired pressure in low pressure mode. Then you're ready to move into high pressure, so accelerate until you get the pressure you need. There are also available a vacuum meter, a light dimmer and a radio intercom. In case of any unexpected event, you should press the emergency button to stop all pump operations. Now that you have finished the operation, you should decelerate and close the main valve.
Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and stay tuned.